In this video, I'm going to reveal 7 easy steps to make $945 a day for free with a simple copy-paste method. Now, with this method, you're going to learn you can do this from anywhere in the world without previous experience and without needing more than 10 minutes per day. So if you're excited to learn this, be sure to stick with me through this entire step-by-step easy video, and let's get started. But before that, if you want to learn online money-making methods, affiliate marketing, or how to create passive income, be sure to go down below, click the subscribe button and the notification bell so you're always notified of my latest video. Last, if you want to discover my #1 recommended way to make money online, click the first link in the description to check it out. Without further ado, let's begin today's video. Here's the steps to do this easy method. I'm going to go step by step. So step #1 is what we want to do is go to longtailpro.com. Okay, then we want to go to the bottom and click on become an affiliate and sign up and get your affiliate link. Okay, so let me walk this through step by step. So the first step is to go to longtailpro.com. Now, what longtailpro.com basically is, it's a software that allows you to find keywords to rank your site high in Google search results. Okay, now we're not going to have to buy this software. We're not going to have to, invest money because, as you can see right here, the pricing, okay, it's about $297 a year up to, $1,177 per year. And again, this is a totally free method. So a lot of people are going to Longtail Pro that have blogs, that are writing articles online, and they're purchasing this software to be able to find good keywords to use on their blogs and articles. But what we're going to want to do is go all the way down to the bottom, and where it says affiliate, we want to click that, okay? And that's going to take us to the page right here to find out more information to become an affiliate, okay? So you can see right here that it's 3 steps, right? Step 1 is to sign up. Step 2 is to promote that affiliate link. And then we, are going to make 30% commission for every person who subscribes for all future reoccurring payments. So as you use this incredibly simple method, we're going to have tons of people signing up under us as a customer, and then basically every month as they stay, we're going to be able to earn hundreds of dollars. So you only need a few people to sign up with this to start to make some great money. So what we want to do is we want to click this become an affiliate button right here, okay? And there's going to be 3 different options. We want to click this one here where it says enroll here. Now once we're here, what we want to do is we want to fill out our information, okay? This takes only a few minutes. Choose the payout method that you want to receive your money, okay? You can just use PayPal, and then agree to the terms and sign up, okay? Now, once you sign up, the next step we want to do is we want to go to another website called freeplrdownloads.com. So this is the site right here, okay? Now, what this site does is this allows us to access tons of PDFs that are totally free to use, and we can promote these to make money with this incredible method, okay? So with this site, again, you don't have to create your own content, you don't have to create your own PDF, but this is very crucial with this method. Now, once we go there, okay, what we want to do is search the word SEO, and then we want to search that, and then once that appears, we want to download a PDF teaching SEO. Now, what is SEO? SEO is search engine optimization, okay? So basically, that's what Longtail Pro is helping with. It's helping finding keywords that will help other people that create blogs do SEO, okay, search engine optimization. So as you stick with me through this video, this is going to become clearer and clearer, and by the end of it, you're going to feel so excited as money just rains down very quickly and easily into your bank account, okay? So search, right? So I can do SEO, I can do search, okay? Now you can see right here that they have these different PDFs, okay? Now we just want to download any of these that have to do with search engine optimization, okay? So this one right here could be perfect. When we find one, we just open it up, and all we have to do is go here to download, okay? Now, basically, it's going to download to your desktop computer, okay? Now, once we download this, what we want to do is we want to actually, if it's in a zip file, we want to open this up, okay? And we want to actually just take the PDF right here, and we want to put this on our desktop computer. Okay, so I saved it to my desktop computer. Now, once we have a PDF that's, again, related to SEO, which is going to be related to Longtail Pro, as you'll see in a second, the next step is we want to go to a website called pdfescape.com, And then we want to upload the PDF that we just downloaded. That's SEO PDF. We want to upload it to that website. So if I go here, okay, you can choose file, and I'm going to choose it from my computer, and I'm going to be able to upload it here. Okay, so I just chose it, and now it's uploading. Okay, so you just want to wait a few seconds as it uploads. And what this site allows us to do for free is edit PDFs. Okay, so if you upload a PDF file, basically you can edit the text that's actually in this PDF, which is really cool. So what we want to do is we just want to go through and we want to find, just one of the pages, okay, inside of here. And what we want to do is we want to go to the top left and click text. Okay, we want to click anywhere on this page, and now we can actually start typing on this PDF that we just downloaded that has to do with SEO, and then we can save this PDF to our computer with our text. Okay, now why is this important? Well, because with the next step, okay, right here, basically, we want to add text and put in a call to action. Okay, now the call to action you can use is something like this: the easiest way to find highly profitable keywords. Okay, so let me copy that, go back to PDF Escape, okay, click, the top left text. I can just click anywhere on here and then paste that in. Okay, and you can make this bigger if you want, like this. Okay, now I can add a little arrow also to make it more eye-catching. Okay, and then basically, okay, if I make this a little bit bigger, okay, and you can move this, you want to kind of center it. Okay, then you just want to go up to the top left, click link, okay, and we want to basically highlight over this, and now we can actually add our affiliate link. Okay, so once you become an affiliate with Longtail Pro, okay, so you sign up, basically you'll get taken to this page here. Okay, this is our affiliate dashboard with Longtail Pro, and you can get your affiliate link at the top right here. So we just want to copy this, go back to PDF Escape, paste that in, and hit OK. Okay, and now we can actually hover over it like this. Okay, now what happens is if someone goes to this PDF and they click here, okay, that's going to redirect them to our affiliate link where it's going to sell them on buying Longtail Pro. Okay, now keep in mind, this PDF is about SEO. So people reading this are going to want to learn how to find highly profitable keywords. And when they see the sales page on Longtail Pro, which is very high converting, a lot of people are going to decide to buy. Now we want to go down a little bit more, okay, and we want to put in another link. Okay, so I can do text. You really need to use this amazing keyword tool. Okay, something like that, a call to action. I can move this. Again, we go to link, highlight over this, paste in our affiliate link, and hit OK. Okay, then we just want to save this PDF to our computer. We just want to go to the left, click this little green here, and once you click that, it will download to your computer with your affiliate links. Okay, I hope you're paying close attention because this is incredible. Now what we want to do is we want to go to Google, okay, and if we go back to the step right here, we want to upload the PDF with affiliate links to a Google Drive. Okay, so if you have a Google account, then you can just go here, go to Drive, okay, and once you open that up, you want to upload that PDF. Okay, so all you have to do is you just click New, okay, File Upload, and then you would choose where that PDF is saved. Okay, so it's starting to upload and it just finished. Okay, boom. So you can see it's right here. Now what we want to do, okay, we want to go here, and what we want to do is we want to get the link to that PDF in the Google Drive and make it viewable. Okay, so if I go here, I can right click, I can go get link, and then what I want to do is I want to change this to anyone with link. Okay, that means that if we get someone to go to this link, they're going to be able to see our PDF. Okay, so we just click copy link, and we want to keep this link somewhere handy because we're going to start to get people to go to this link, and then when they see the PDF and they start to read it, when it has to do with SEO, they see our affiliate link, they go to Longtail Pro, okay, they see the different prices and they see how powerful this tool is, and they buy. Again, we're going to be able to make money, okay, every single month very, very easily. So you may be wondering, okay, Garrett, this is incredible, but how do we start getting people to our link? Well, I want to share with you an incredibly easy method, okay? So step number 7, the last step, is what we're going to do is we're going to go to Facebook groups having to do with blogging, and we're going to share our Google Drive link. Okay, so I'm going to share exactly how to do this. We want to go to Facebook and we want to go to groups that are blogging. Okay, so type in at the top blogging. Okay, we want to filter by groups. And then what we want to do is we want to join these groups. Okay, we want to look for groups that have at least 5,000 members, because that's going to give us a lot more people that can see our posts. Okay, so let's say this one, Blogging Paradise, right? So what we would do, we would join this. Okay, so I'm already joined. And then what we would do is we would just post in something like this. Hey, are you a blogger and is struggling with search engine optimization? Remember, most bloggers are struggling with exactly how to optimize their blogs for the search engine. Okay, so when we say this, a lot of people are going to respond and a lot of people are going to resonate. And we say, if so, feel free to click this link and check out a free PDF sharing top SEO tips. And then we're just going to paste in our Google Drive link. Okay, so what this is going to do is this is going to be sharing value, right? With these groups, you don't want to just spam your affiliate link. You want to be sharing value. So when these bloggers see this post and they go, hey, like, I am struggling with search engine optimization, because every blogger basically, that's, new, or every blogger that's not making money is going to be struggling with SEO. Then they're going to go here. They're going to see our PDF. Okay, they're going to start to read this. They're going to see these affiliate links, click it, go to Longtail Pro, and again, when they buy, we're going to be able to see our stats here and our money that's generating very, very easily. Okay, and this is the method. So I hope you got a ton of value when it comes to these easy steps to make $945 a day for free. If you did and you want me to make more videos like this, smash the like button below. Also hit the subscribe button and the bell icon so you're always notified of my latest videos. And last but not least, if you want to discover my #1 way to make money online, even on autopilot, be sure to click the first link below and check that out now. Anyway, my friend, thanks so much for watching, and I will see you on my next training.